Hello, welcome to this presentation. My names are Maurice Dimba. Today I'm going to discuss and demonstrate on how to export TEKLA 2D drawings to AutoCAD for further editing. This is very important because most engineers and anybody handling drawings in soft copies normally give preference to DWG format and PDF format. So you will find yourself doing a lot of design in TEKLA and exporting to AutoCAD, which is normally the common ground for most of designers. Now we will go ahead and start. We have this drawing. I think this was the tutorial that was uploaded on cast unit drawing generation. Now we want to export this to AutoCAD. Anybody who is not conversant with TEKLA can actually make some inputs here or decode anything regarding this drawing. Now we will go ahead and export this to AutoCAD. We'll come here to this drop down on file. We'll click that. On this we have save drawing, print drawing. Open the model folder. We will export the drawing. This dialog box will come up on export drawing properties. On this dialog box we have export file, we have layer options, we have options here. Now these three tabs are very important and the specification are very important to you while doing the exportation of drawing from TEKLA to AutoCAD. Now first here on export file we have name and type of format. Do you want DWG or DXF file? We want DWG. Now you can type the name of what you want to export. We'll just maintain that. Rebar, shop drawing, shop drawing, just type that. Type is DWG. Include revision mark to file name. Don't check that, it's not necessary. Go to layer options, click that. Under layer options, layer rules, standard, BS standards, we want standard. Use advanced line type and layer conversion, check that and go to the next option. We have drawing scale 1:1. Export object as a group, check that and just walk away from this by clicking export button. Click export button, click that. Now if you take a look down here in the command line, you'll see creating marks. Export command completed successfully. Good. Cancel that now. Now where do we find that DWG drawing of this? I mean what we've exported. Where do we get it now? We will go to a file name of this work. It's written here flat. Now we will go to this folder of flat. We will open plot files. We will get that drawing of AutoCAD format. We will go to C there, double click there, come to TEKLA structure models, double click on that and open. Let me come back. Under TEKLA structure model, this is where this is the master folder for all folders of of structure, any work you will be doing in TEKLA structure will be stored here. And if you want to access it, just go to TEKLA structure models, double click on this. Now inside this, just walk down to flat, double click that. Inside this, you can see PC, drive C, TEKLA structure model, then flat. This is our flat folder inside it. Now we will go to plot files, double click here. Inside here, you will see this rebar shop drawing. It is here. Now you can go ahead and double click on it and open it in AutoCAD. Click that. Now your drawing is here in AutoCAD format. Now from here you can do anything. You can present it to someone or send it to someone who doesn't know how to use TEKLA and who doesn't know how to modify a drawing in TEKLA and have a lot of experience in AutoCAD. You can do that. You can export this to AutoCAD and send it to him for modifications or to inject his suggestions. As I said, AutoCAD is mostly the common ground for most designers. Now here, what we are going to do here, you can see the title block is there. Now what we are going to do, I want also to show you on how to edit these drawings. Now first step, we want to convert this to PDF and check how these lines behave on conversion to PDF and how to rectify that. Now I will go ahead and export this to AutoCAD to PDF again. For that person who doesn't have the AutoCAD, I'll come to that point. I'll come down to print. This plot model dialog box will come up in AutoCAD, not now in TEKLA structure. Come here and click none. Or if you had previously made a printout of same specifications that you require at the moment, you can click that previous plot. But now I did that previously, but I don't want to do that because I'm showing this to you. Now I'll pick none. Under printer, I'll click this down arrow and come to DWG to PDF. I'll click that instead of picking the printer. Now paper size, I'll click that down arrow and come to paper size of my choice. Maybe I need that. I'll click landscape, but still my paper size is still taking the shape of a portrait. Now come back, change to that. It has changed. Now here you see this button, open it up by clicking on it. This if you click it, it will close up. If you click on that direction, it will open up. Now under plot styles table, this down arrow, click on it, highlight or select monochrome. Assign this plot style table to all layouts. Yes. Now under plot area, what to plot? Click, pick drawing. That dialog box will disappear, but don't be scared. Your cursor will change to a plus, like that. Means it is active with a command. Now come here and cover all this there and click there and come to preview. We wanted to actually see how this drawing, having been exported to AutoCAD, how the lines behave. Lines are thicker, especially on the side of columns and beams. This should not scare you much. Now, don't convert this. Just go back to AutoCAD by right-clicking and click Exit. Cancel this out, come back. Now, select everything here. Right-click, go to Properties. This dialog box will come up. Under Block Preference here, or General, you have line color, you have color, you have layer, you have line type, a default line type by layer, line type scale, that's one, plot style, that's, and line weight. What we want to convert here is line weight, but you can see it's 00. What we're going to do, we've highlighted everything here, which is okay. Now what we are going to do is now type on the keyboard X, type X on the keyboard and enter. You'll see that X represent explode. Enter that. Highlight it once again, just highlight everything. Now come back, or you can close this again. You can close that highlight, right click, go to Properties. Now come back. When you come to color, it informs you that color varies, means there are so many. Layer varies, line type varies, line type scale is 1. But what is of great importance here, we want to adjust the line thickness. We'll come to line weight, click on that arrow, click, move to that thickness, click on the screen, and on your keyboard press Ctrl S, meaning save that line type thickness. Now cancel this. Now go ahead and print this. Now we'll click previous plot, which means our previous settings. We'll come to Window, click on that side, come to this end and click Preview, zoom closer. The thickness of these lines have actually changed to our preference. And take a look to what we never changed, how the thickness scares any newcomer in design. It's completely thick and have nothing that we requested the program to give us. We'll go ahead and follow the same process. Exit that, cancel that, highlight everything here, highlight that, right click, go to that property, click that, come again and press X and enter. You'll go back and highlight everything, right click and go to Properties, go to line weight. Under that, just scroll up and click that 0.05 thickness. Click on the screen and press Ctrl S. Close this. Now go back and print this in PDF. Click Print, pick Previous Plot, pick Window, zoom out. Make sure you engulf or cover all under cover all with this frame and click there. Preview that. It hasn't exploded properly, but having got the idea on how to do this is very, very critical. We'll go ahead and click plot. Now, where do you want to save this? We want to save this on desktop. Click save. It will open up automatically depending on the type of PDF program you have. Let's close this. Don't want that. Now your drawing is here in PDF format. Right click, zoom in, right click, fit page. It is here. So suppose you had used your customized title block, it will appear like this. Now in this format, it's easy to send to someone who doesn't have AutoCAD and have no idea how to use AutoCAD, and have great skills on how to read and interpret drawings. This is good for him. And for somebody who know how to use AutoCAD and have no idea how to use TEKLA structure, you export to him in AutoCAD. And AutoCAD, apart from that, most people use AutoCAD for modifying drawings in DWG format. Now we will switch back, and that knowledge dispensed to you, I think, for today is very important, and I think I should end here. And I'm grateful for you having showed interest in watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. I'm Maurice Dimba.